22 degrees. Absolute bliss. Not a human in sight. You can find peace wherever you live. This is Zone 3 in London. There are people everywhere. If you just walk and explore, your soul will guide you to what you're looking for. She's a poet, she don't know it. Okay, so good for the soul. Just breathe it in. This is your sign to get out there, find peace and harmony in nature. It's free. The birds are singing in confirmation. The world is so wonderful when we stop the noise, stop all the negativity. Just look at your timeline, what's happening to you right now. Be very mindful of what you focus on. You're in charge. Yes, there are sirens, but it's not here. It's not coming for me. I'm in the woods, in the trees and the birds. Choose what you focus on. You are in charge. You are the one holding the pen. You're the author of your life. What you eat, what you drink, how you sleep, how much time you give yourself to heal, rest and relax. It's all up to you. And I chose to come here today. I spent probably over an hour trying to decide where to go today. And there are more engineer works on the trains. So I chose to stay local. And I think it's all meant to be. Everything is meant to be. I'm not meant to be in the city with all the millions. I'm meant to be here right now giving you this message. Isn't it beautiful?